Do you know what AI tools are on top right now? Like the ones everyone is talking about? Well, buckle up because I'm counting down the top 3 AI tools that are literally changing how we work, create, and maybe even how we breathe. Okay, maybe not that last part. Let's start from number 3, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for number 1. Number 3, NotionAI, aka your personal overachieving assistant, made by Notion Labs, launched in 2022. Users, over 30 million people using Notion, and many are hooked on the AI. What it does, summarizes long, boring docs in seconds, writes blog posts, meeting notes, even emails so you don't have to, organizes your tasks like a productivity-obsessed robot, basically replaces your brain, but with better handwriting. Free plan? You get a taste of the magic, a few AI uses per month. Paid plan? $10 monthly, unlimited AI, faster responses and smarter results. Number 2, Midjourney, made by Indie Lab, launched 2022. Users, over 15 million on Discord. What it does? Turn your weirdest ideas into art, like Cat DJ in space with laser eyes. Great for logos, posters, product mock-ups, even comic books. No free trial anymore. Paid only. Plans from $10 a month, all on Discord. And number 1, yes, ChatGPT, made by OpenAI, launched OG ChatGPT in 2022, GPT-4 Turbo in November 2023. Users, over 180 million active users. That's 30 million more than the population of Germany and France combined. What it does, writes your emails, essays, contracts, and even your love letters. Fixes your code, explains your math homework, and makes it all sound smart. It can remember stuff about you now, like your favorite tone or that you hate Mondays. Can draw images, browse the web, crunch data, and take over the world. Kidding, I hope. Free version, you get GPT 3.5, still solid, but kinda like Air AI with training wheels. ChatGPT Plus, $20 monthly. GPT-4 Turbo is smarter, faster, and stronger. Tools like DALL-E, image creator, code interpreter, browser, memory, custom GPTs, and more. So, have you tried any of these AI tools yet? Which one blew your mind? Let me know down in the comments. And hey, if this video helped, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that AI-generated bell so you don't miss what's next. Catch you in the next one.